As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama knows that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed the line that didn't deserve it. I be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying and chalk.
Wow, 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 wow. Come on,